Hi, welcome to my channel. So this video is really a very good news to the graduates as well as the postgraduates guys. But because here for all you people the vacancies are there. Okay. So let us see the departmental wise and the post wise, and here it is a central government lecturer as well as a non-teaching vacancies notification, and here only post graduation is required to the post whatever I am going to show you right now. UG Senate or the PhD is not at all required guys, and these vacancies are there from the two central government colleges. So if you once got selection in this college, then really it is a very good opportunity guys. And here the salary is up to 50,000 rupees per month, whatever the designations I am going to show you. Out of all these things, the maximum is salary is up to 50,000 rupees per month. Okay. And before going into the main content of this video, if you are not subscribed at my channel, please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Please like guys, and if you are having any queries, then put one comment, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the government job vacancies, especially for the faculty jobs. Okay. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam. So from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, here the first central government institute or the college that we are going to see here is the Central Institute of Petrochemicals Engineering and Technology. So don't come to one decision by looking at this name. So we don't have the vacancy in this departments. Okay. So here I will show you the departments guys. Please wait for a while. So the Central Institute of Petrochemical Engineering and Technology is a premier national institute in the field of polymer science and technology. So coming to the position here, lecturer maths, lecturer physics, and instructor skill development. Okay, these are the positions guys. So lecturer maths and physics, I think the so many candidates are there who belongs to the maths and physics departments, and who did the master's degree in that one, and at least 1 year of teaching experience in polytechnic or engineering or science college. Okay, so many candidates are there, I know. So for all these candidates, it is a very good news to you guys. And here one vacancy is there under the maths and physics, so it is some sad news, but because the number of vacancies are very less. And here the consolidated remuneration range per month is 30,000 to 35,000 rupees. Okay, and the same thing is also for the physics. Okay, so it is purely on contract basis guys. Okay, so and coming to the instructor skill development, full-time first class BE or BTech in appropriate relevant discipline with minimum 1 year of experience, or else first class full-time diploma in appropriate branch with minimum 3 years of experience. And here the two vacancies are there, and here the amount is 25,000 to 30,000 rupees per month. Okay, and the application form, essential qualifications, all these details you can download from the cipte.gov.in. Anyhow, I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. So if you just click on this one, then you will be directed to the official website of this college guys. Okay, and how to apply, what is the procedure to apply means, the duly filled in applications strictly in the prescribed format along with the requisite self-attested enclosures must reach to the director and head, CIPET CSTS Madurai, survey number 489 by 1 near Periyar, okay, Thiruvananthapuram, Madurai. So the last date is 23rd 4th 2021. It is the last date of receipt of application. Okay guys, so it is the main thing. And coming to the official website, okay, so it is the official website of this college guys. So in this official website, if you go to news and updates, okay, news and updates means I will show you guys how to go to this one. See, it is a official website as I told. Okay, I will provide the website link also, don't worry. Just scroll down, and here you will check down the more on news and updates. So click on that one, then you will be directed to here, and you may check down engagement of manpower purely on contract for limited period. Why? Because our advertisement name is also that one. You may check advertisement for engagement of manpower purely on contract basis for limited period. Okay, so click on that one, and then you will be directed to the next web page. So you may check down call for applications for project associate 1 and engagement of manpower purely on contract basis, and call for applications for junior research fellow and research professionals. Okay, so these are the different types of vacancies are there under this one, guys, and please click on the advertisement and click on the essential qualification and go through each and every detail, guys. Okay, here I can do, but it will be the more time taking process. If you belongs to this one, then please go to the individual of this each and everything, guys. Okay, so utilize this opportunity. So based upon your post graduation, you can apply for these post, guys. Okay, and the next college what I want to show you is and please note down the contact number. I mean, if you're having any queries regarding this advertisement, please note down the contact number, guys. 966-251-7009. Okay, I repeat, it is 966-251-7009. Okay, so it is a contact number. And as I told that I will show you the non-teaching vacancies in the one more central government institute, right? So it is a University of Delhi, guys. Sorry, Hyderabad. In this University of Hyderabad, the so many non-teaching vacancies are there. So okay, that you may check down. So under the non-teaching and contractual block. So here for multiple positions, the deadline 7/5/2021, lab assistant on contract basis 26/4/2021, and lab assistant contract basis. Okay, so each and every PDF or else notification we will check here, guys. So it is a wonderful opportunity, so please utilize this opportunity. Okay, so computer lab technician, AI lab and research labs. The qualification and experience required is BSc computers or electronics BCA, or else BTech BE electronics or electrical. Two number of vacancies are there, total 20,000 rupees are there, and whatever the knowledge and skills you require, essential skills you require, and the desirable things you require, that one also mentioned. And coming to the computational research project assistants, okay, master's degree or else BTech in electronics, CSC or IT from recognized university. Total 3 vacancies are there. You will get the 30,000 rupees per month. Okay, the knowledge and skills are given, so please once go through that one. Service manager and research associate is also there. The qualification is same as the position 2 above, and at least 2 to 3 years of experience. That means post graduation or else the BTech in CSC, ECE or IT. 2 vacancies are there, and the total 35,000 rupees per month you will get. And next one is senior system administrator. For this one, either PhD or else master's degree in computer science, artificial intelligence or else IT, and here the total amount is 50,000 rupees per month you will get. Okay, so these are the details, guys, and other few details are also given here. Whoever the eligible candidates are there, you may apply in the prescribed format to the Dean School of Computer and Information Sciences. Okay, so these are the things, guys, and coming to the few more vacancies are also there in the University of Hyderabad. That one also we will check here. So name lab assistant on contract basis. Qualification required is MSc in any area of natural science with at least 55% of marks. Should be proficient in office work and comfortable with methods of data. And the experience, age, the salary is 30,000 rupees per month. Okay, so the candidates who are meeting the criteria, okay, proof of education and experience where applicable, you have to send to the head Department of Biotechnology, School of Life Science. Okay, and the last date is 26th April 2021. Okay, one more vacancy is there, guys. See, lot of vacancies are there. It is also from University of Hyderabad. Lab assistant, one on contract basis. Experience required is 55% in bachelor's degree with chemistry. Okay, desirable is MSc chemistry and experience is 2 years. And here the salary is 20,000 rupees per month. Okay, so the interested candidates may send the prescribed format, okay, of application form to this mentioned address. Here also the last date is 26 April 2021. Okay, guys. So by this video, I'm showing the lot of opportunities for the graduation and graduate candidates as well as the postgraduate candidates in the 2 central university institutes, guys. So please utilize, central institutes. So please utilize this opportunity. Whatever the links required for all these things, I will provide the link in the description box of this video. So please don't forget to subscribe the channel, guys. Okay, please try to support the channel and share this video to your friends or colleagues, okay, as max as possible, who are looking for such type of vacancy positions. It will be really helpful to them. Okay, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, an Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and It is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC candidates who are preparing for the UGC exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide